I guess it will take prophets, imams, and hundreds of, clergymen plus professors to convince me otherwise on this fact I'm about to spill. I can tell you categorically that the Northerners are the ones, the marketing Nigerians, the Northerners are the ones, pushing Nigeria backward intentionally, not by mistake. And I'm not talking about the Northerners in general, I'm talking about the elite and the politically elected or appointed persons. If you doubt me, explain to me the reason why the governor of Borno State will budget 150 million to feed goats, sheep in his house. Why? Borno State is the most insecure state we have in the whole of Africa, and yet you're budgeting 150 million for what?